What's your name? My name is Aishwarya. Where are you from? I am from Chennai. Where do you live? I live in Chennai. What's your address? 4th Avenue, AI Block, Chennai. When is your birthday? My birthday is on January 1st. How old are you? I am 26 years old. I am 26. What's your mobile number? My mobile number is 9161514131. What's your email address? It's aishwarya@gmail.com. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is noodles. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Do you play any games? Yes, I play hockey and cricket. Which is your favorite game? Cricket. Who is your favorite player? Rohit Sharma. What's your hobby? My hobby is listening to music. Where do you study? I study at Queen Mary's College. How do you get to college? I usually take the bus. What's your major subject? My major subject is computer science. What do you want to be in life? I want to be an electronics engineer. Do you like reading? Yes, I like reading mysteries and adventure books. Do you like watching TV? Oh yes, I love it. Which are your favorite channels? Sun, Raj and Star Sports. How long do you watch TV every day? About 2 hours. What's the size of your shoes? My shoe size is 8. How was the movie? It was very interesting. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. What's your favorite website? My favorite website is YouTube. Do you have a car? Yes, I have. No, I don't. When did you buy a car? This April. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English very well. How long have you been learning English? I have been learning English for 3 years. Why do you study English? Because it is very important and necessary. What time do you get up? I usually get up at 6 o'clock. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. When and where were you born? I was born in 1994 in Chennai. What do you do? What's your profession? I am a doctor. Do you like your job? Yes, I really like it. What does your father do? My father is an engineer. What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. Are you married? Yes, I am. No, I am not. How many children do you have? I have 2 children. No, I don't have any children. Do you have any siblings? I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. No, I don't. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. I am sorry, I don't know. What day is today? Today is Friday. What's the date today? 29th of April. Where is the nearest ATM? The nearest ATM is on 7th Street. How far is it from here? It's about 1 kilometer. Do you have a driving license? Yes, I have. No, I don't. Are your parents at home? Yes, they are at home. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Where are you going? I am going to the store. When are you leaving? I am leaving on Monday. What time are you leaving? I am leaving at 4 o'clock. When are you coming back? I will be back on Monday.